Hello, welcome to another dynamic do-it-yourself video. And today with
Tankmanjoe,
we are going to try these things. But before we try it and review it, hit that like button, hit the subscribe button.
I have a better thing.
Okay.
So, he is the dynamic DIY, right? And if you have anyone, or if you play yourself, who plays Animal Crossing New Horizons, you'll know that DIY is a big part of that game, right? And you know, there are just some recipes that you really want, but you just haven't found it yet. So, who knows, if you subscribe to the Dynamic DIY Diva, you might get some epic DIYs in Animal Crossing New Horizons.
Ah, I like the crossover. The crossover there. Okay. Okay. Oh, I touched my face, but I have washed my hands, so I'm okay. We're sheltering at home, or was it safer at home? Anyway, hit that subscribe button, give me a thumbs up, or, you know, we do a lot here on this channel besides reviewing. Peeps! Where my peeps at? All right. Okay, so we're going to try this. All right, we picked this up at, what was it, Dollar Tree?
Yeah, the Dollar Tree before we all got stuck inside our houses.
Yes, before we got stuck. So please do not call Child Protective Services. I did not drag my child out to buy Peeps. This was way before we got the decree. So yeah, we're going at it right now. Okay, and we're not recommending you run out and go get this.
All right, don't. No, even if we all rate these a 4, which we might.
Oh, I don't think so.
Don't go run to the store to get these.
Yeah.
Or maybe you just don't get them at all.
Your life is more important than
birthday cake peeps.
Yes, this is birthday cake. So we got this at the Dollar Tree, and it cost $1. $1. If you're out there and you remember the movie Better Off Dead, what was it that the little boy kept chasing John Cusack, yelling, $3, $2. Oh, yeah, it's a great movie. Anyway, so this was $1. The last ones we checked, the last video, we had $2 for 15. This is $1 for 5.
Isn't that kind of a scam?
Well, you know what? Here we go. Pop quiz, hot shot. Those of you who recognize that from Speed, give me a thumbs up just for that one.
Why?
Oh. Anyway.
That's why.
Okay, now. Tell me, which one is more reasonable? 5 for $1, 15 for $2, and that was $2 on sale.
I think it's kind of obvious, right? You're getting 5 here for $1, right? That's $1. But if you paid $2, you could get 15, which is 5 more than if you were to buy 2 of these, right? This is like 20 cents per peep. And the others were like 13, 12 cents per peep. So, big brain.
Big brain move, all right. Okay, so let's go ahead and try these. I don't know, this is a serving size.
The whole thing?
The whole thing is a serving size. And no, I'm not giving it all to you.
Hey, can I get the serving size?
Yes. It's 130 calories. And they use like industrial strength plastic on these things. I had to stab through it. Okay, here. Oh my gosh. What was it? The watermelon? No, it wasn't the watermelon. It was the cotton candy where they look like they've been diseased. I hope these don't have that Rona on it. That's for sure. But yeah, you could tell they're yellow, like regular Peeps, and then they have little speckles on it. So let's try one. I'll snatch mine. You get yours. Okay.
The whole thing is yellow, just the inside of it, and there's like
Oh yeah, that's
little
right.
speckles on it.
Yeah, like they have measles or something, right? Okay, so let's give it a try. Birthday cake. Happy birthday.
I have no. These, right? All of these, right? There's 5 of them, right? It looks like one normal Peep was just walking around the road, right? And then it fell into the Tankmanjoe Diva's can of glitter, and then she cloned them and turned them into an army.
There we go. That sounds great. Okay, let's try it. Okay. You've given up your insides for that. On a scale of 1 to 4.
You've given up your liver for that one.
On a scale of 1 to 4, with 4 meaning I will buy this again for my personal consumption, and a 1 means I will not get it for my personal consumption. I will give it a hard pass. I'm going to tell you what this tastes like. All right. The birthday cake is basically not the essence of the cake, it's the essence of the buttercream frosting. Now, I make a really good buttercream frosting. Buttercream frosting is, you know, a combination of butter and sugar, and it's, you know, you have your vanilla and you mix it up, and it's really good. Now, there is a recipe where you put shortening in it. This tastes like the shortening version of buttercream frosting, where it has an aftertaste, and this is what you typically get when you go to a bakery.
Oh, a sour.
Yes, and so it tastes like bakery style, which I know they use. They don't use butter because that's expensive. They use shortening. It has that taste. If you like that taste, this is for you. For me personally, I use nothing but full butter. So I'm giving this a 1. Full disclosure, I'm not a fan of Peeps, but you know, but as for taste, I wouldn't get this.
I give these 10 minus 11. These
Two minus 11.
There's some math for you to do. I did math for this video, and you could do some too.
Okay. I like that.
So these, what are these called? Birthday cake Peeps?
Yes, birthday cake.
At first, it tasted like a normal Peep.
Actually,
right?
it's called Party Cake.
Oh, Party Cake.
Let's get it right. Party Cake. Go ahead.
Well, it just tastes like a Peep at first, right? Just a normal Peep.
Mm-hmm.
I understand when I first went into it.
Exactly.
But then after that, I could see that they were trying to get like a birthday cake kind of flavor for like the frosting.
Right.
But it just doesn't taste good. To be honest, I wouldn't get this. I wouldn't get these. Even from like 2 pennies, I still wouldn't pick them up.
Okay.
It's just a waste.
Yeah, I mean, there's. I always say on this channel, less is more, and I think now, after our candy cane challenge and now the Peep challenge, I think we're getting into a part of consumerism where these companies, they really are starting to just throw everything at the wall, and just because it sticks doesn't mean that the public wants to consume it. And I think this is probably the reason why I was at the Dollar Tree, because they're trying to get rid of it.
Yeah, 1 second, be right back.
Oh, wow.
Look how many candy canes we saw from that last video. This isn't even all of them.
That
I
isn't.
couldn't even pick all of them up.
No.
Oh my God.
There's still a whole lot more.
It's crazy.
Yeah.
I,
We are right now, what is this today? It's March, right?
It's March.
So this is way over. Well, actually, this is, as of this taping, it has been exactly 3 months since Christmas. And, I still got candy canes in my house. And they're disgusting. I'm sorry. They are, because they're not peppermint. If they were peppermint, they would have been gone. But anyway, so that's pretty much it.
Yeah.
Thanks, Tank, for revealing what's going on around here.
Behind the scenes. DIY Diva, behind the scenes.
Yeah, and tell you the truth. To tell you the truth, the things that we both give a 1, they usually sit around here, and then eventually they'll make their way to some form of consumption, whether it's from the round file. You know, I put things in the round file. If you know what the round file is, post it in the comments.
What's the round file?
I'm not going to tell you because I want them to tell me. But
Okay.
the round file, and then also Better Off Dead with John Cusack. Please, if you remember that movie, give me a thumbs up and leave a comment. And also, what was the other thing I said? It had something to do with speed. If you like what you saw, give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to this channel. There's a lot of great things out here. And
if you like this video, if you like and subscribe to the Name to Ideas YouTube channel, we will show you how many candy canes we have. We'll count each candy cane out, and that will be tallied up in the next video.
don't ask us which flavor, because
We don't know.
they all just taste like sweet shit. Anyway, until next time.